How to prevent the user from clicking the buttons in the chatbot if he has already made a choice. Hi guys, my name is Julia Zatsarina. In this lesson, we will learn how to prevent the user from clicking the buttons if he has already made a choice. Like and subscribe to our channels. Let's look at the same example. You have a school of psychology. You offer to choose one of 3 topics of personal development. We analyze this example when create triggers in another video. To view it, follow the link above. And so, you offer the user to subscribe to 3 different contents by selecting one of the buttons. In here, for example, it is make money, find calmness and do yoga. It is 3 different contents. Now the subscribe to click in all 3 buttons and receive all 3 messages at the same time. We will disable the next button click. To do this, we will assign a tag, a kind of label to each button. Let's create 3 tags. For example, I create tags for name, performs 2 actions. I need the text. For example, it is button make money and I create text make money. Click in here, add tag, continue, and I need to create this tag. Create, for example, make money, it is my first tag. Next, choose here, make money, continue. My next tag, it is find calmness, copy, yes, I copied this, actions, copy and change. Clicking, create, new, it is my find calmness, continue and choose this tag, find calmness, continue. Yes, and change. In next, it is do yoga. Copy this name, action, I am create new tag, name, do yoga, continue, and I am choose this new tag. Okay, I have a 3 tags. Now here we cutting from this connecting for yes, I need cutting pardon here, here and here, and I am movement another place. Okay, it is my fire and event, my triggers. We got 3 separate actions where the tag is assigned. Our next step is the condition function. Okay, I select the condition block and add condition in these flows. Conditions is here. The means of the condition is as follows. If the user has been assigned once of the tag, he cannot move further along the funnel. If none of the 3 tags is assigned, we will add 1 tag to it, which corresponds to the button we clicking. I am select all tags here. Add condition, I need to tag, it is includes, continue, and I am choose for first my tag, make money, continue. Add new conditions, tags, includes, continue, next, find calmness, continue, and next tag, it is tag, includes, continue, and do yoga, yeah, continue. What does it mean? If user clicking for button make money, I am connected with these conditions. And if user has some tags for make money, find calmness, do yoga, I won't send any message. If user doesn't has any text, I add this tag, make money, and I send messages. For us it is fired in event with triggers when we make another video. And I need to create 3 conditions. It is very easy copy. One, yes, copy. If user clicking button find calmness, I'm connecting with condition. If user has some text, I won't send something. But if user hasn't, I add the tag and I send next message. Okay, to yoga, same. Okay, this is my next perform section. It is not perform actions here. It is launch trigger. Okay, I say again. Here's what we got. If the user clicking at least one time one buttons, he will be assigned a tag, for example here, and he will simply not be able to click second one for this button. How it is working? It's first I need publishing this flow. Yes, and I do preview for my, for example, some Facebook page, for example, continue. Yes, I'm testing early. Now it is my new message. Hello, I know that you have already reviewed my previous tutorials. Now I have prepared several topics for you. Choose which one you are interested in. For example, for me interested make money. I'm clicking here and I receive the message when I make early another video. This is my first video. If I won't click in second button, for example find calmness, I didn't receive anything. I can to add, for example, text. When we see, I can receive another messages for my 3 button. Okay, for example send message, I need to add early. For example, I add text. You have already choose your content. If user choose one button and clicking next button, he receives this message. Okay, here and here. I connected. We saw on my Facebook Messenger. And next step, I need to delete my text when I am received. Now it is my live chart, it is text. Okay, I publish. I preview again my Facebook chatbots, continue. Okay, I receive again this message. For example, I choose make money. I receive my first flow, my first text when I created early. If I want to do another for find calmness, I receive message. You have already chosen your content in this message because I am receive tag make money. If I choose another button, I will be receive messages. You have already chosen your content. This is how to the restriction on clicking other button works with the help of a condition and text. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new lesson. See you later. Bye.